Hey there guys, and welcome back. On today's video I'll be showing you how to make these delicious and distinctively rich in flavour air fried lamb chops in just 20 minutes cooking time and 10 minutes preparation time. So we're going to start off by making our marinade. I've added half a bowl of crushed garlic, some pureed green chillies and onion, some salt, some ground coriander, red crushed chillies, some peri seasoning, paprika, black pepper, juice of half a lemon. I then added some Greek yogurt and gave that a good mix. And lastly, some olive oil. I gave that a good mix until all of them ingredients are combined, and then I set it aside for later. So I washed the lamb chops, I pat them dry, and then I marinated them in the sauce that we just made. So we're going to be using the all-time famous Ninja dual zone air fryer. It is the best way to cook these lamb chops. I'm going to drop the Amazon link in the description below for you to check this out for yourself. So I could comfortably fit 8 lamb chops in each one of these baskets, which allowed me to cook 18 at a time, which is great. So I air fried these for 20 minutes on the roasting option at 190 degrees. About halfway through, I thought I'll check the progress of the lamb chops. I flipped them around so I can brown the other sides. At almost full time, I took them out. They were completely cooked through and ready to eat. And there we have it guys, air fried lamb chops in just 20 minutes. There is no other way to cook these lamb chops in this house ever again. Air frying these lamb chops were a complete game changer. There were no mess in the house, the kitchen was not smoked out, they were ready to eat in 20 minutes and delicious. If you like this video, please stay tuned for more of my air fried recipes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys, take care.